Hello, good morning, friends. And this is CC Vlogs on Reviews, and this is again Francis. And tonight or today, we'll be doing a review of local perfume na nabili natin recently sa Shopee. And I'd like to do a little review of this perfume. As mentioned in my last review na gusto rin natin syempre pag-usapan yung mga local perfumes na nabibili natin from our local producers or manufacturers or suppliers. Alright, so what perfume are we talking about? Let me go ahead and show it to you. And this is a version of Enzo Scents, and this is their version of Dior Sauvage. Right now, it says here sa bottle it's 30% fragrance oil and it's 450 ml. Alright, I bought this a month or so ago and I've been using it regularly. Alright, and let's talk about first yung presentation. What I really like about this presentation is the bottle itself. Kikita mo na pinag-effortan nila, pinaghirapan nila. Kasi it's not regular sticker na nakikita nyo sa usual na mga binibili natin na perfumes from other local companies. Alright? And the cap itself feels like it's made out of plastic. And ang ganda ng kanyang pagkakadesign. I think most of their bottles are like this, and meron siyang added dots for additional grip. I wouldn't suggest that you lift this from its cap kasi baka mahulog, though maganda naman yung pagkakasecure ng cap dun sa bottle itself. Tapos in terms of the atomizer, it's black, alright, and the nozzle itself is white, alright, and when you spray it, as you can see, maganda yung kanyang projection, maganda yung kanyang pagkalat ng spray, and I think it's just enough for us to, fill that specific spot pagka within 2 to 3 inches ka from your skin or from the spot that you like to spray it on. Okay? Now, in terms of the scent, okay, I've had Sauvage probably 4 to 5 years ago, so I still remember somehow yung kanya scent DNA and profile. And I can say na ang ganda ng kanyang presentation. It's opening, it's very fresh, may citrusy siya, and may pagka-musky. May natin konting pagka warm and spicy doon sa kanyang opening. And in terms of the dry down, medyo dito mo mapapansin yung kanyang citrus scent. It lingers, and that's the thing that you will be able to smell until mawala na yung kanyang scent sa palad mo. Now, in terms of projection, I would say that it can easily fill a small room. Siguro itong room namin dito sa house is around 15 to 20 square meters, and when I spray, my wife was able to tell right away na nagpabango ako. And longevity, I would say that it lasts around 5 to 6 hours. Alright. What's nice about this is, yun nga, despite the fact that the price is just 267 pesos, right? It still gets to last that length of time, 5 to 6 hours. So, very good. You just have to respray, perhaps if you're in the office or outside. What's nice about the 50 ml bottle is, madali siyang ilagay sa bag. Or if ever it's too big for you, sa bag mo, you can just go ahead and buy a sprayer, a smaller sprayer, and then that's the one that you put inside your bag. Okay, so what can I say about this in terms of uh, worth it ba? Nabili natin to for 267 pesos. Of course, I would definitely say yes. For that amount, I wouldn't be able to say that meron siyang negatives. Kasi nga, napakamura and ang ganda ng kanyang performance. And as you know, Dior Sauvage is one of the most bought perfumes sa Amazon. It just proves to you that this scent profile or this signature scent is really something na gusto-gusto ng mga tao. And it brings a lot of compliments, and as well as, you know, when you smell it for yourself, you get that feeling that you're fresh, kakaligo mo lang, and all. So, I think they did a good job on this one. So, I'll still buy a couple more scents from Enzo and see how they perform. But so far, again, I'm very, very pleased in terms of this perfume. Okay? Alright, so that's it for our review. If you have any scents locally that we can purchase, let me know sa comment section below. And I'll also try to leave a link of the Shopee page of Enso Scents so that you can also buy from them. Highly recommended this perfume that I got from them. So again, thank you so much. This is Francis, and see you again soon. Bye.